I loved this Flish RC 500 scale helicopter so much that I got me another one. So I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside and show you what all comes with this package. Okay, this is all that came with my Flish RC. It's a integrated helicopter, as I've shown you before. The mechanics fit in here. The mechanics are already assembled, and it'll just fit right in here with 2 bolts. The fuselage, what I like doing is putting a window here like I did there, and tinting the fuse. It looks beautiful. You get blades, 4 blades come with it, the landing skids, the wings, stickers for the helicopter, the mechanics. Mechanics are beautiful. They come now with an 85 amp ESC, 1600 kV motor. Comes with a receiver already set up and a radio that comes with it. It's the Fly Sky. It's a very typical radio used by Flywing and other drone helis. It comes with an H1 controller already programmed. The GPS module is back here. Quality metallic metal geared servos. Amazing head assembly. Beautiful machining. 4 blades. The tail motor has its own ESC here, directly wired to the battery. This is running on 6S. So the tail motor just connects up here. This is the connector for the tail motor. So stay tuned. This will be maidened, built and maidened. I do want to add some LEDs to this as well. So we'll see how that goes, and maybe a light in the bottom. The package comes with a nice charger, 80 amp charger, and a battery reader, manual. So it really is a nice deal, I think, for a complete scale helicopter ready to fly. Stay tuned.